Hi everyone, it's Andrew from Ant RC here, and we've got another unboxing for you. This time it is tyres. You may remember I did a little video about my mudslingers and the dual stage forms that I'd ordered, a pair of dual stage forms to try and fit them in my mudslingers. Didn't work. So instead of doing the sensible thing and sending the dual stage forms back, I did the rather daft thing of buying another set of dual stage forms and a set of tyres to go around them. So what have I ended up with? I have ended up with, yes, another set of dual stage forms, Proline of course, and two sets of tyres. Now, what have I got? I have got Intercord TSL SX Super Swamper XL 1.9 G8 Rock Terrain Truck Tyres. Well, that's a bit of a mouthful. I hope they're half as good as their Scrabble score would be. These aren't the original ones I ordered. I originally ordered a set of Hyraxes because I preferred the tread pattern. I just like the look of the tread pattern, and what I'm looking for is a tyre for the rest of the year. The mudslingers are great, but they're very soft, and I don't really want to cut them up and rip them up on the drier conditions that we're heading into now. So I was looking for a tyre that would run me through the summer and the springtime, cope with a bit of mud, cope with a bit of wet, and obviously the dusty trails, the rocks, the mud, and this kind of thing. And the Hyraxes seemed to be a good choice. But they were out of stock, so rather than wait another couple of weeks for stock to arrive, I changed the order to these Super Swampers because I quite liked, let's put this back to the side, I quite liked the grip, which is very reminiscent of my dear mudslingers, with the very broad paddles running across the tyre. But the mudslinger having just the horizontal paddles is a little bit more, obviously a little bit more severe, I guess, than the Swamper is. A little bit more aggressive, but yeah, as I say, very, very soft, very easily torn. And I mean, I had to replace one of these, you might remember, if you saw the picture on Instagram, one of these tore. They're such soft rubber tyres, and they're really just, I'm just so frightened they're going to rip and tear, and I'm going to lose them by running them too much. I also wanted something a bit bigger. You can see the size difference. These are the 1.9 XL mudslingers, RC four-wheel drive, of course. And even though they're both XLs, and this is where I went wrong initially with the dual stage forms, XL doesn't mean a standard size. So I thought it did. You can see there's a massive size difference. And if I squash the Swamper a little bit more into a sort of normal profile, you can still see it's significantly wider, and of course it's significantly bigger than the mudslinger over this side. So it's going to fill the wheel arches, it's going to make the truck look a bit more beefy, and I'm really excited. I'm going to run these Swampers on these RC four-wheel drive metal rims. I really like these. I think they'll suit the killer body Land Rover nicely, and I love them on the Cherokee body as well. So that's what's going to happen. These are going to get swapped over with the dual stage forms inside. To further sweeten the pot, it turned out that Proline tyres don't or aren't recommended, whatever, I'm not sure how absolute this is, but they aren't generally recommended, it seems, on the internet, so it must be true, to work with other brands of rims. So I was faced with the choice of buying Proline rims as well, which I didn't really want to do, and I can't afford it. So fortunately, Martin at RC Bits came to the rescue on eBay, because he had a set of conversion rings. These are the 1.9 Proline tyre compatible internal beadlock rings, it says on the back. Part number ZS0846, if you need it. So these, I understand, sit in the rim as part of the beadlock operation and allow the tyres to form around it properly. So we'll see how that goes. So in due course, maybe I'll do a little quick video of how these rings work. I'll have a play, obviously make sure I can do it first, and maybe I'll do a little video to tack on the back of the stages involved in mounting these. But yeah, that's pretty exciting, I think. So I'm getting some mudslinger type type paddles on here. Nice edge grip when it's pulling itself up. We like how that works on these mudslingers, but not quite the aggressive profile, not quite the same rippability that these seem to have. So I'm hoping these are going to be a little bit best of both worlds, and well, they look pretty ace, don't they? Yeah, they look awesome. What did they say on them? No, don't know. My eyes aren't good enough. But yeah, looking forward to getting these on. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest development. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you again soon when I put these in.